Hello, I'm Gundula. I've always had an interest in making cheese. So I'm joining Alta Eybers, who's a cheesemaker here. She's been using buffalo milk yogurt to make this very lovely soft cheese, and she flavors it with herbs from the garden. So I'm going to join Alta now in the cheese room.
Good morning, Gundula. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited. I want to show you how to make yogurt cheese, or like we like to call it on Babylonstoren farm, hang-up cheese. I'm very proud to say this was actually the first cheese we made on Babylonstoren farm a few years ago. Way back when we were still very small, we used to make this for the greenhouse and for Babel, which was so special, but we've grown so big now. So we have to make about 50 liters of yogurt cheese every single day. But the reason why we call it hang-up cheese on Babylonstoren is because it hangs like this. It's so cute. But I really want to show you how versatile this cheese is to make. I'm going to show you how to make it with fresh herbs from the garden just to spice things up. The first step when making your yogurt cheese is you take your yogurt. This is about 1.5 liters. It's fresh buffalo yogurt we made yesterday, and it's also available in the farm shop. And then we're going to add our 1.5 tablespoon of salt and our 1/2 tablespoon of pepper. Step 2 is I'm going to get my lemon and my herbs ready. Step 3 is take your fresh herbs and lemon zest, add it to your yogurt cheese, and make sure that you stir it well. Step 4, we're going to spoon the yogurt mixture into a sterile muslin cloth, and we're going to tie it up with butcher string. The last step is to make sure that your yogurt cheese is nicely tied up. When you put it in the fridge, just bear in mind that you have to put a drip tray at the bottom of the cheese. It tends to lose a lot of weight. After 3 to 5 days, you can enjoy your fresh homemade cheese.
Alta, where does the use of using buffalo milk originate from?
It originated in the southern part of Asia and in India, and with all the years gone by, it became a very popular milk. We are very lucky to say that Babylonstoren is one of the few farms that has got buffalo milk.
What is the difference between using buffalo milk and cow milk?
Buffalo milk is very special. It's very high in protein, calcium and in fat. Buffalo milk is also very nice to make yogurt with because you don't need to use any stabilizers. You can only use culture and it will sit by itself because of the high protein and fat content.
Alta, if I was to try this at home, which herbs do you suggest that I use?
I would definitely recommend that you use fragile herbs like parsley, oregano, basil, rocket and chives, which is my personal favorite. It just brings that special flavor to the cheese. And I would definitely suggest that you stay away from robust herbs like rosemary.